Hello, Alexa. This video just to show how to use mobile phone NFC Functional. Change the datasheet to control the lighting, Dali CCT lighting. Let's see how to use panel control. Change the brightness. Change the color. Okay, now let's use the mobile phone setting. Now, here is 100% brightness and 6,500 Kelvin. Let's use mobile phone to change the datasheet. Dali setting. Power on. To adjust the power 15% and change the color temperature to 2,700 Kelvin. Done. Writing. Write completely. Successfully. Then we power off. Power on. It changes to 15% brightness and 2,700 Kelvin. This is just purpose for testing when we install the lighting.